Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we have been out here in this beautiful location. We have been camping for the last, this is the third night. So we stayed Thursday night, Friday night and Saturday night. So it's Saturday night, it's Saturday today. And I took about 6 days off of work, so that's awesome. And yeah, I look a little bit burnt and a little bit rough, but I don't care because this is camping and you're not meant to look amazing all the time. But I'm honestly so happy to be out here. It just, I don't know, honestly, there's something about being outside in nature and being with people you love that is just so good for your soul. Honestly, it is just, it's just like, time just gets away from you. You sometimes forget what day it is. It's just like you're not in the everyday rat race of life, and it's just amazing. It was definitely something I needed for my mental health. Mummy. So yeah, so hold on honey. So I thought I would show you. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, so I thought I'd show you a little bit and give you a little bit of, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the campsite and where we're camping, to show you. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And Daxton, how have you been enjoying the camp so far?
One thing, when I was in here sleeping, I was like, my face was red and I was sweating non-stop.
Yeah, it was a little bit hot. Did you end up having a sleep with me today? Yeah, you did. Was it good? Did you feel better?
I was playing my iPad and then I fell asleep and I was like,
that's good. It's definitely needed, hey?
But then I woke up at 1 o'clock.
And I'll show you.
And Dad took 1 hour sleep and he woke up at 2 o'clock.
That's good, because we had a late night last night and we are in for a bigger night tonight with all the adults and everything. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be a big, loud, fun party, so I can't wait. But I will show you what, Daxton had a little bit of an accident last night. He was using the prongs, the extendable prongs, to put the marshmallows on, and he was roasting marshmallows, but then he was being a bit silly and he was just doing it because he just wanted to burn marshmallows. He didn't actually want to eat them, and he was being a bit silly, and then the marshmallow, he just cooked it, just burned it in the fire, and it came off the prong and went straight onto his foot. And luckily Troy, because I don't know, I just froze a little bit. I didn't know what to do. And Troy, thank God for Troy, because he just was quick reacting, and he just like got the marshmallow off because it started to like burn into his foot, and he just used his hand and used this thing that I had next to me, and he just was really quick reacting. So if it wasn't for him, then it might have been a bit worse than it is. But I'll show you what it looks like. He's just burnt his foot with a marshmallow.
Before you see this, I just want to let you know, if you're a bit sensitive, skip this part because
oh, it's okay. It's just blisters. It's nothing really. It's not like a 3rd degree burn or anything. But yeah, it's just, that's his foot. So yeah, so the poor darling.
And I even got it on my toe.
Yeah, so he burned his toe, and so that it's just blistering, and we've been using like a burn aid cream from my uncle, who is a fiery, who is staying here, and he's got like a burn aid cream, and he's got it in his first aid kit. So yeah, I feel really refreshed after having a sleep, and I'm ready to go for a little bit of a walk and go down to the creek. And yeah, so
I'm really sad to go down to the creek because I want to actually go in the water, but can't because of my blister mark. Well,
you can just put your other foot in. That's not hurt, okay?
Okay. But I want to actually like get in the water.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
No.
Hi, Charlotte.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Hello,
please, can I?
Don't jump on the bed.
Oh. Hi, darling.
Hi, I'm Charlotte.
Yes, you are, Charlotte.
And Uncle Adam and Uncle Adam and what's her name?
Annie Adele.
No. remember that Annie Dell, they're playing music.
Are they? I know, I can hear it. It's good, hey?
Yeah.
Off my Bluetooth speaker.
Really?
Actually,
So I'll show you our bedding. I'm just gonna leave it unmade because I don't care at the moment, but when it starts getting cooler, probably in an hour and a half, I'll come in here, I'll make the beds, and I'll just shut all the screens and everything so that we can shut it all in.
yeah.
So when we go to bed tonight, it's not as cold. But yeah, we've borrowed the tent from my sister, and it's a Coleman darkroom tent, and it's like a 3-room, and it's just bloody amazing. It's so good. So it's literally a dark tent, like no light at all. If you shut it all up, it is dark, pitch black. So that's really good for sleeping.
Only in the night, not in the day.
Yeah, if you can open up the screen, you can open up the layer and whatnot.
Hi.
So that's the kids' beds. So they're not made at the moment. They're just sleeping there. And then this is just our bed. We just have 2 single mattresses. They're foam mattresses. And we have 3 layers of blankets. And then this is just the middle room, and it's a bit of a mess. But yeah, so it's a good tent. Come on guys, let's go. So this is the tent.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
This is the tent. And it's like this.
Oh, and excuse me.
Hold on.
Hold
on.
All my shoes, and then kind of like drag them like this.
Yeah.
And I need to tell you something.
Can I kind of drag my feet like this?
Like this.
No, you put one in and then one sort of in. So you're just kind of doing it. What?
Excuse me. So we have colouring in,
Something like
but
this.
right now it's in there. But right now I have my pack in on the table, and Jackson has his in the tent.
Yeah. So it's just.
So when we get
Hold on,
bored,
honey.
When we get bored, we can have colouring in.
So pretty. So pretty. Shah, this way.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, we're going down to the creek straight away.
Are we gonna have to go?
Huh? No, where's Daddy?
He's with Matt and Laria.
Where's Matt and Laria?
They're playing music. Mom?
Oh.
Yeah, Laria.
If I put the foot under there,
Laria's playing
let's go to the creek because I don't want it to start to hurt. And then when we're like,
one leg. One, Mommy.
I'm coming.
Really?
Let's say really. I'm just going across.
yeah, I'll help you cross.
Thank you, honey.
No, it's fine. You know where the lake is?
The creek, honey.
Creek, yeah. You know where it is?
I do.
When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. Wings. Oh, I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over
Daxton helping me make my famous Mexican layer dip, and I forgot the container to I forgot the container that I usually make it in, so I've had to improvise.
What's that mean?
It means you have had to find another way of doing something, or find a different thing to use.
Okay. It's got that. I know meetings every day.
Yep.
So once I've done it,
And that's I'm drinking, that's my yummy lid.
so much good avocado.
Yeti! So good. How you going with the dip, Ducky?
Do I put this avocado on top?
Yep, just give me a look at it. Yeah. And yeah, I'm just drinking in my Yeti cup that I got again. Oh, I freaking love these Yeti cups. They are so good. And I don't think I said to Troy before, I'm not going to be able to put these away in the camping stuff because they are that good. I am going to have to use these at home because they are friggin' awesome to drink out of. Absolutely worth every cent. Absolutely worth the money I spent on it. That's for sure. This one was about $25, and the other one I was drinking out of is a little bit bigger, and it's a mug, and it was $35. But it is so worth the money. Oh my gosh, I just want to get them all. Bit of a quiet moment with Dax, and we're making the dip together. Then I'm just going to put it in the fridge, and then over here.
The fridge? We don't have one.
Well, the esky, I mean. And then behind here is like a big barbecue seating area with the fire going. So I'm going to go and I'm going to join everyone and get the night started. I really don't
tomorrow, but then
I really don't want to go home. I'm having such a good time. But
we can pack up in the afternoon. Wait, when are you packing up?
tomorrow.
So guys, right now I'm vlogging. So this is where we play tennis. We have 2 tennis racks. My dad found it. We have the pole, and then yeah, we have the ball where you hit it, and then we have someone's tent. Then we have. Hello, Amber. Now I'm recording.
Cheese.
Right here. Hello.
Underneath there, there's a little box.
I'm filming.
In the box.
And then over there, I'll show you. So over there we have the toilets. It's not that interesting, but yeah. And we have that big tree. We have a tree. Can you see the mountains? I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a mountain area, and it's actually really cool. It's actually amazing, and it's sun. There's like beautiness. It's really epic. We have Honey's bed. We have a blanket, my car seat, and then we have the window out through here. You can see trees, and then we have Bubby, Honey. We have another window, which is a booth seat. Well, it's the booth. I'll show you later. So yeah, and there's Poppy, Honey, Honey. So that's the end of my dad's tour, and now I'll show you my mum's tour. Quick. And then my mum has mirrors like my dad does. And then we have the door handle. The actual door. It's locked, so I can't show you inside. We have a tent. We have the tent where we cook. And that's my mummy. I'll show you my mum. So here is where we have a fire. There's another place. Here's my dog Cindy. Here's Alfred. Here is my mummy. She's amazing and kind and beautiful and sweet, and she's the most amazingest mum I could ever have.
Aww.
And here we have some food.
Love you.
I love you too. Mwah. You're the best mum ever. Mwah. Dax, Go Amber! Woo! That's how you play it. Hey, Daddy!
Hey, darling. Love your hair.
Amber did it.
Amber did it.
Amber!
Yeah,
not Amber.
I said that. So pretty.
Ow.
Lighting the fire, babe.
Like 2 fires.
Yep.
Not one. We got a double banger. And then we got the big half a tree.
Yep. What?
That food was amazing.
Was it?
That's right up your alley, isn't it? That's, you like me. What? You like me.
Hey, Kai.
Already in my robe. It's freezing tonight. It's freezing. Our last night here, so we're enjoying it.
You pick them up yourself.
Whoa. How strong did you make my drink, babe? Tastes pretty strong. Mm. Did you just smack my tush? Did you just smack my tush?
What do you have in your drink?
Alcohol, Daxton.
Alcohol. Fine, it was me. There you go. I proved it was me.
Yeah, it was you. I know it was you. Hey, Kai Kai. What you doing? What you doing, big? Oh, yummy. Can I have your noodles, little Kai? Ah, no. Smoking, baby.
Smoking.
Stop smacking my tush. Stop smacking my tush. I know, it was Daxton this time.
I'll smack your tush as much as I want.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other one, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away, but I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be,
This is why we can't have
Look at the beautiful blue in the fire.
You watching this?
This is why we can't watch.
Have nice things.
Yep, that's it. This is friggin' Mike. Oh, Mike! Careful! Get your hands out of the fire.
Who decides to bring welding gloves to camping?
Smart move. I would have saved you.
It's going blue.
Yeah, it's going blue.
They're purple.
Or is that just the glove? I think that's just the glove.
That's just my flesh.
All the
Oh
gloss.
my god, you right, Mike?
Your eyebrows this time,
Did you
Mike?
do that on camera, babe?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then only going up. Let's hear it. Oh no, I think I missed it.
No, you're not.
In a loving way.
That was my speech.
We're special.
Well, I would like to say that I know that Mum and Dad are both here with us tonight, especially given that Dad landed on his busy road this morning. Look, I think the biggest
no more
thing,
cake.
Laria had said to me this morning, Mum, let's get a cake for Dad's birthday. So she went out of her way on a little adventure this morning to try and get a cake for Dad and couldn't.
I did not get a cake, sorry guys.
And I tried.
Oh, build our hopes up.
I tried this afternoon and I couldn't, and that's when I realised, you know what, that's because Dad didn't really like cake.
No, he
would
prefers
prefer that we
cheesecake
make
or...
a toast.
Yes, he would.
Yeah, we don't.
That's right. But I know it's been 12 years since Dad passed away in 10 days. It would be 12 years, 13 years, 12 years
12.
since he passed away. But I know that nothing would make him prouder than seeing all of us here together celebrating his birthday. And I felt him here every day. I really have. And I look at all of us together and I think the one thing that's happened since he's passed and since Mum's passed is we've become even more inseparable as a family, and we've shown that we are so united and that nothing can knock us down and nothing can beat us as a family. And if there's the one thing I want to pass down to my kids, it's that. And you know, I think between the six of us, Elaine, me and Adam and Adele and Carl and I, as parents, then we've done our mum and dad absolute justice by being able to do that for our kids. So anyway, it's happy birthday, and to hear Dad, we love you.
Love you, Poppy.
Adele,
Yes.
you're on music. Adele. Sorry, I was meant to have some backup right now.
I just think right now that Grandad would be disappointed that none of us brought fishing rods here.
Troy did.
Champion!
We have the fishing rod. We have the fishing rod.
At least someone thought of it. On the ball. That's what I like to see.
We've only seen guppies down there, but it's alright.
Well done. Woo!
But it's gonna be you and me. Always see a good stay. Oh, I wish you could
Hello guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my mom's channel. There's cleaning videos, and we might put up a cleaning video versus me and my mum, and it's gonna be really awesome. And right now we're at camp, so I hope you enjoy the vlog Leader 2 and subscribe to my mom's channel. Goodbye. I love you all. Mwah. Peace out. You're the best.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
Mwah. We love you all.